What's up YouTube, it's your boy Lowpes and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be working on my 2018 Honda Civic Si and we'll be installing HFP side skirts to the non-HFP Honda Civic Si. I'm super excited to get these on. I think they're going to complement the way the car looks. I'll show you how the car's looking right now and what we're going to be installing. Hope you guys are excited. Let's get into it. So here's my 2018 Honda Civic Si. It's super dirty. We've been getting rain almost every single day. Today's supposed to rain, but I think I have an hour and a half before it starts raining, so let's see how it turns out. You guys notice I ended up putting the Honda emblem back on. I was gonna leave it black. I'm gonna change the grill eventually, but for now I guess I'll leave it. That is the new lip we've put on. This is the Icon GT style lip, and that's how the car's looking. We got some nice wheels on there. The wheels are looking good. The car just needs literally the side skirts on. Everything else is looking pretty mighty fine. I'm excited. The car's coming together really nicely. But yeah, and if you guys haven't checked out, I'm doing another build on the channel also. This is my 1999 Honda Civic Si. I am doing a case swap. Let me show you. This is actually my first case swap that I've done with Alex, and it's coming out pretty good. We painted the bay ourselves, and we've done everything here you see ourselves, and it's coming out honestly sick. This car is going to be more of a sleeper than anything. Got some more parts in here. Parts everywhere. The garage is a mess as we're building this. It's been a time-consuming project at the most because we've tucked a lot of things. And you guys can see the bay is looking super nice, super clean. It's not a crazy show bay, but we did as much as we could. So check that out. I just have to adjust the car a little bit just so I have more space on each side to work on. I really think that these side skirts are going to complement this aggressive front lip and kind of even out the look. So you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. If you don't want to take off your wheel, you can do something like what I'm doing here. This is just a 1/4 inch socket, and then I used one of the Phillips bits. I'm going to use my ratchet to get into the tight spot. I'll show you guys exactly what I mean. And then a flathead or a clip remover. We're going to take the OEM rocker side skirt off. What you're going to have to do is you're going to have 2 Phillips in the front, which mine are already removed because I did this when I had my other side skirts. And then you're gonna have those 2 Phillips in the back there. You're gonna have 2 Phillips in the front, and then underneath you're gonna have 4 clips. I'll show you where the 4 clips go once I put the other side skirts on, just because I don't have them on right now. But let's take this off. Now what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to open the doors, and with your palm you're gonna have to hit this part of the side skirt forward. So what happens is the clips basically hold on the side skirt in that motion. All right, so as you guys can see, I've taken it off. I'm not gonna lie, it was a pain in the ass to come off. Mine was really seized in there, but as you guys can see, so that's the OEM. So that's a 1 clip, 2, 3, and then 4. Then from the back, you're gonna have 2 screws, 1 and 2. And then from the front, you're gonna have the 1 right here and 2, and you might have a clip up there. I did not. This is the HFP side skirt that's going in. Doesn't look like much of a difference, but once it's on, you guys will really see the difference between the two. As you guys can see, those are all the clips. I think this is the best way of doing it. We remove the clips from the rocker itself, the car, and we place them on the side skirt. And now we're just basically gonna clip it back into the holes. Make sure your doors are open. I believe they have to be open for this to work. And let's get it. I got my assistant, Alexander, rocking some Lowpes merch. Wagwan, wagwan. All right, let's get it. All right, so it's in. It was a lot easier just clipping it in, so I'm gonna put the screws back on, the same screws that you guys used previously, and then we're gonna put clips underneath to hold it all in. But goddamn, it's looking mighty fine. What do you guys think? Once the car's all clean, you guys will really see it. But right now, it just adds a little bit of flair, and it's not too loud, which is nice. Something I recommend is, I bought this off Amazon, came with a bunch of clips and everything. I paid, I think, like $20-25 for it. I highly recommend grabbing these because these break all the time when you're removing panels on the car. As you guys can see, I've lifted the car in between where the clips have to go, just to give me more access room to work. And yeah, check it out. It is on. It's looking mighty fine. What do you guys think down below? We'll do the other side, and then we'll get a better look at the car. Lopes, the loafers, lopes in the loafers, lopes in the loafers, lopes. I found removing this clip gave me more leeway to pull the side skirt off, and once again I've got the side skirt off without breaking any clips. So now we're going to remove the clips and put them back onto the side skirt itself, and then just clip it back in. Super easy stuff, guys. Make sure when you put them in, they're sitting on this angle like this. So when you take them out, you can just, from the body of the car, you just turn it, just like turn it and pull out. You'll see it's pretty simple. You can just clip them back in. I'm gonna get Alexander to give me a hand, just aligning this, and then we're pretty much done. And I'll show you guys how it looks. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is in. I'm just gonna put the screws back in and then the clips, and then I'll show you it out there in some better open area so you can get a better look. All right, so that's how she looks. Mind you, she is dirty, so don't judge me. It's gonna rain again today. It's the only reason I didn't wash it. It's been raining almost every day, so it's been a little difficult to do car stuff outside because that's still not rolling. Almost there. We're almost starting it, so go check that out too. Check it out. I like it. It's subtle, but it adds a bit of width to it, and now like from that side skirt to the wheel to the front lip, it all kind of blends a little better. It's not as aggressive as the front lip. If you guys haven't seen the install and wonder why I have this front lip, go check it out. You'll definitely see that I made a mistake buying this, but I'm trying to make it work, and that's how it kind of looks from the side. I think once it's all clean, it'll all look really good. Right now, it's kind of popping out just because of the difference in color, because one's dirty and one is clean. But what do you guys think down below? Super minimal. Trying to keep that clean, aggressive look. I think it just adds a bit of like those, kind of the body lines kind of flow a little better, looks a little better. If you see, it does stick out a little further too. So like I said, very minimal, but it looks good. I think once I have my new brakes and rotors and all that on, that will all flow very nicely. The exterior of the car is almost done. I'm just gonna get a new front grille because this one is not fitting very well, but the car's coming together really nicely. I'm really enjoying the wheel setup and everything on it. If you guys have any questions, make sure to comment down below. I try getting back to every single one of you guys. If I miss you, try hitting me up on Instagram. I probably get back to 99.9% of everyone that messages me on Instagram. But there it is. If any of you guys are looking to get any Acuity products, like I have the shifter there and the shift knob, use my links down below. You do not pay any more, but it helps the channel out and I get a little kickback, which helps make content for you guys, and we both can continue to grow and learn. So if you guys need any Acuity products, link down below, hit them up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys learned some tips and tricks on how to take those off. The HFP side skirts look so much better on the car. The Type R ones were super aggressive, but this has a subtle aggressive look. I like it. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Do it once, do it right. Peace out. Later.